Welcome back to Car Latters, the channel where we bring you up close and personal with the cars that matter. Today we're diving deep into one of the most popular and practical SUVs in the market, now with a fresh face and some smart upgrades, the 2026 Honda CR-V. Whether you're a loyal CR-V fan or just car shopping and curious, stay tuned because we're going to unpack every little detail you need to know about this new generation crossover exterior. Let's kick things off with what grabs your attention first: the look. The 2026 CR-V brings a subtle but confident evolution to its design. It doesn't scream for attention, but it commands respect with its mature, athletic posture. From the front, you'll notice a broader stance and a bolder grille. Honda's designers have opted for a sharper, more angular look this time, replacing the curvier aesthetic of the outgoing model. The honeycomb mesh pattern in the grille adds a hint of aggression, flanked by slimmer LED headlights that now stretch further toward the fenders. The lighting signature is cleaner, more modern, and brighter thanks to Honda's next-gen LED system, which comes standard on all trims this year. A sculpted hood with subtle contour lines draws your eyes upward and gives the CR-V a more premium and refined character. Down below, the front bumper has been reworked to be more integrated, with larger air inlets that actually serve cooling purposes and aren't just for show. It's a face that suggests capability and confidence without going overboard. Swinging around to the side profile, you start to appreciate how Honda has subtly stretched and toned the CR-V's figure. It's now about 2.7 inches longer than the previous model, with a 1.6-inch longer wheelbase, which doesn't just help with proportions, it plays directly into ride comfort and interior space. The side silhouette is sleek but purposeful. The character lines are stronger and more deliberate, running along the shoulder and giving the CR-V a more chiseled, muscular presence. At the rear, the design continues to impress with a clean, well-integrated look. The vertical taillights, a CR-V signature, are still present, but now slimmer and sharper, extending into the tailgate and wrapping neatly around the sides. The rear window is wide and offers excellent visibility, while the tailgate itself has a more squared-off shape, making cargo loading easier. The bumper is sculpted, with integrated reflectors and an optional silver skid plate-style accent that adds a little off-road flavor. Dual exhaust outlets peak subtly beneath the bumper on the turbo trims, while the hybrid models tuck them away for a cleaner look. Honda's use of LED lighting continues at the back, with sleek tail lamps and turn indicators that are bright and precise. Interior, step inside and things only get better. Honda's interior design language has taken a huge leap in the last couple of years, and the CR-V is the latest beneficiary. Open the door, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels surprisingly upscale for a compact SUV. The materials are soft where they should be, and the build quality is impressively solid. Everything feels like it's been put together with purpose and precision. Right in front of you is a clean and intuitive dashboard layout inspired by the latest Civic and Accord. The honeycomb mesh design across the dash isn't just for show. It conceals the air vents for a clean, seamless look. In the center, depending on the trim, you'll find either a 7-inch or a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The screen is crisp, responsive, and finally, yes, finally, supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on all but the base model. The seats have been re-engineered for improved long-distance comfort, and it shows. Supportive yet plush, with available heating, ventilation, and memory settings on higher trims. The rear seat is especially impressive. The extra wheelbase length translates to best-in-class legroom. 2 adults can sit comfortably for hours, and kids will have room to spare. Rear passengers also benefit from air vents and USB-C charging ports in upper trims. Cargo space is another CR-V strong suit. Behind the second row, you get 39.3 cubic feet of space, expanding to over 76.5 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. The load floor is low and flat, and Honda offers a hands-free power liftgate with programmable height on high trims. Whether you're hauling groceries or road trip gear, the CR-V is ready. When it comes to performance, Honda offers two powertrains. The base engine, found in LX, EX, and EXL trims, is a 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, making 190 horsepower and 179 lb-ft. It's mated to a CVT that's been refined for 2026, with better response and less of the droning feel these transmissions often get criticized for. It's not a sports car, but for daily driving, merging, and even light towing, it's plenty competent. Then there's the hybrid, and this is where the CR-V really shines. Available in Sport Hybrid and Sport Touring Hybrid trims, the 2-liter Atkinson cycle engine pairs with two electric motors to produce 204 horsepower and a satisfying 247 lift of torque. It feels torquier off the line and provides a smoother, quieter driving experience in the city. You get selectable drive modes, normal, econ, and sport, and an EV mode for short distances under electric-only power. Ride quality is excellent across the board. Thanks to improved suspension tuning and increased chassis rigidity, the CR-V absorbs bumps with ease and stays composed in corners. Steering is light but precise, and the all-wheel drive system, available across the lineup, adds confidence in slippery conditions. The hybrid system is particularly smooth, and Honda's regenerative braking feels more natural than many rivals. Fuel economy is another area where the CR-V leads. The gas engine delivers up to 30 mpg combined, while the hybrid models stretch that up to 40 mpg combined, depending on trim and drivetrain. That's real savings at the pump over time, especially for commuters. Safety and tech get another big boost. Honda Sensing is now standard across the range, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and traffic sign recognition. New for 2026, blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert are now included on all but the base LX. A 360-degree camera system is available on the top Sport Touring trim, along with front and rear parking sensors and low-speed braking control. All these features contribute to the CR-V's strong safety ratings, including anticipated top safety pick plus from. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda CR-V starts at around $30,000 for the LX trim, which gives you the essentials and solid value. Move up to the EX, and you're looking at around $32,500, which adds more convenience and tech. The EXL brings more luxury touches and starts around $35,000. If you're going hybrid, the Sport Hybrid kicks off at about $34,500, while the top-of-the-line Sport Touring Hybrid with all-wheel drive and every feature Honda offers comes in just under $40,000. In a crowded segment full of solid contenders, the 2026 CR-V manages to stand out by doing exactly what it's always done, but better. It evolves without alienating. It adds modernity without losing its practical roots. And it offers options, whether you're after a fuel-sipping hybrid or a trusty turbo with classic Honda dynamics. So, is the 2026 Honda CR-V worth your attention? Absolutely. Whether you're upgrading from an older CR-V or switching from another compact SUV, this one's going to impress you in ways both big and subtle. That wraps up our deep dive on the 2026 Honda CR-V. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Alerts for more in-depth reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss a future drop. Got questions about the CR-V or want to see how it compares to a competitor? Drop a comment below. We're always listening. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Safe driving!